The next setup in the purchasing setups, right? So far we have completed financial options, purchasing options, and receiving options, correct? So next is we have to go and define jobs. Okay. So the jobs we will define from the HRMS. So basically in real time, okay, the HRMS people, the HRMS functional or HRM business is the responsible to create jobs and positions. Okay, jobs and positions. Fine. So go to the work structure, go to the jobs and description. HRMS responsibility, work structure, job, and description. Okay, so this is the navigation. So we don't have any new jobs, right? We have to create. We not created any. Just click on new. Click on new button. Okay, click on new. Destruct. So yeah, okay, it's came. Destruct. Okay, the job group will automatically default generate by system. Okay, by system and job code and job name. So this is the job flex field. So this job flex field where we have given in the business group. When we defining the business group, there we have given job flex field. If you see the top one, job flex field, that job flex field having these two segments. That's how it is coming. If you want to maintain new structure here, then you can maintain. Like for example, ABC job code, ABC job name. In that way, ABC job location, something department, something like if one you can maintain. But it's again, SRMS people. Okay, fine. So I'll quickly just show you where you give. So we'll be giving organization in business group. When you define the business group, just open. I'll come to this job form again. Okay, ABC, ABC India Private Limited. This is my business group. Find it. Keep the cursor in the business group and click on others business group info. If you see the flex field, job flex field, just tab out job. Yeah, this one. So this flex field, this the flex field name. Okay, this the flex field name. If you take this flex field name and go to the flex fields, fine. Let's go to the system administrator application flex field key segment. So this the flex field name. Okay, and this human resource. Okay, this is the flex field name, and one of the flex field name is having that. Okay, code combination. It is like simple. If you just go click on this segment, see here, like this, you will see the segments. That's Oracle seated one. They have like we have assigned this the Oracle seated one. Okay, job flex field. Under this, they have created a any one flex field, and that is coming over there. Okay, fine. So based on country also, you can have job flex field. If you see this one someone created for Australia, which is having only one segment. And if you see this is Belgium, which is having something one segment. Okay, okay, fine. Let's go. So let's go to the HRMS and job create job. Click on new. So this will generate automatically by system. Okay. Now for this, I'll maintain 101. Okay, 101. How I will maintain, right? First, from starting, procurement request job or procurement coordinator, procurement buyer, anything. Okay, requesters, procurement requester job. You can say, okay, that's it. Save it, save it, save it. Keep the cursor there again, and then click on new, click on new. Okay, click on new again, 102. I'll say like this procurement, you can say short name PO also. Okay, PO buyer, save it. Next is I'll create 103. So it's like job code. This is like job code. Okay, and this is job name in the below. PO. Okay, PO manager. Okay, PO manager. And again, click on new 104. Yeah, 104. PO senior manager. Okay, PO senior manager. Click on new 105. PO procurement head, something like PO procurement head or procurement director, anything. Director. Okay, PO director. These are like jobs, their jobs. PO director, procurement director, like that. Branch manager, branch PO manager. Okay, global procurement head, something like jobs. Okay, I'll just define one, that is top level. Okay, top level 106. Just CEO. It's not like again PO CEO, not like that. CEO. Okay. Well, this is the final job. So in the same way, you can have number of jobs can be created. Okay. Number of jobs can be created. Fine. So we have defined the jobs. So next is we have to define the position because we are using position hierarchy, right? In financial options, you have enabled use approval hierarchy, which means you are using a position hierarchy. When you're using a position hierarchy, we should define positions. Okay, we should define the position and we should assign the jobs to the okay positions. Okay, fine. Go to the work structure. So hope you are not able to hear background noise, right? Can you non confirm, please?
No background noise.
Yeah, okay. So if you see for position defining a position, right? Same HRMS only, HRMS work structure and then position description. Okay. So click on new, click on new, click on new. Keep the cursor here. Okay, keep the cursor here, and here position number also you can maintain. Okay, position number I'll maintain 111. It is one. Which position? Okay, PO requester, PO requester. You can have that positions. Okay, the job and position is like similar. If you'll see similar. Okay, similar one. Okay, and next is type, position type. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah. Okay, the type, person type. So if you see here, none, okay, pulled and shade and single incumbent. So if you see, mostly it will be shade only. Okay, the position which you define here can be associated to multiple people. It will be shade. Okay, shade. If it is a single person, like maximum the CEO will have single person, right? CEO will be single person, but the PO requesters, PO buyers, PO director, even directors can be multiple. So it should be shade. Again, you don't need to worry about all this setup. It will be taken care by, as I told you, right? It will be taken care by your HRMS people. Okay, fine. So keep the cursor here. Select company and this job. You have defined the jobs, right? So earlier we defined, I guess, this one warehouse manager job we defined. Okay. So procurement request, it's just assigning. Okay, this is the position for this position. This is the job. Okay, start date. Sorry, active status. Okay, status active. Start date will default automatically to date, and then just save it. Save it, and here hiring information you have to give FTE. Let's see, head count, maybe two or something. Okay, full-time employment. It's like full-time employment and how many people. Head count. It's like head count can be increased later. Okay, fine. Fine. One is done. One is done. Now click on again new. Click on new. So next is triple two, and this is PO buyer. PO buyer position. PO buyer position. Click on OK, and it is also shared and ABC, and the job is buyer job active. So one, and just giving two here. Okay, fine. Next is click on new. Click on new. Triple three. PO manager. Okay, PO manager. Salsa shade. ABC India, and this one is PO manager. PO manager active. One, two. Okay, again click on new. I'm just defining some known positions. Okay, and it depend on business to business. The position names also will change. Okay, fine. Triple four PO senior manager. Senior manager, you can go for general manager. Okay, branch manager and all. Shade ABC India. So this is senior manager. Okay, active here one, two. So again click on new. So we have to define now director, right? PO director. PO director, shade ABC India and ABC India and job director. Director active. That also can be shade position. So next is finally CEO, right? CEO triple six CEO Chief Executive Officer. Okay, so it will be. It is not like shade. It's like single. Okay, There will be only one CEO, right? Hmm? CEO active. So you see automatically see a headcount 1K because you have selected a single increment. Okay, FTE1. Okay, done. So we have defined and we have assigned job for all positions. We have defined a position, we have assigned job and position. Okay, we have given link here, association. And this is under this business group, under this business group. Okay, and this location, how it is defaulted. So this location, BG, business group location, is assigned to this business group. Okay, fine. Means all these are all under this business locations. All these positions, all these jobs under this business location. Okay, fine. So job and position we have created, right? So next is we have to go and create hierarchy, position hierarchy. See, as a we know by just reading the job name and position name, and we know who is the first person, who is the like first level, second level, third level, and top level. We know, right? But how system will knows? So we have to define position hierarchy. Okay, so we have to define position hierarchy. Fine. So let's go and define position hierarchy. Same way, go to the work structure, position, okay, hierarchy. So after the description, you will be having hierarchy. Okay, click on this, click on this. Okay, now give this name. Okay, hierarchy name. So it is ABC, ABC, PO approval, ABC, PO approval, hierarchy. I'll specify small letter. Okay, PO approval, hierarchy. Okay, ABC, PO approval, hierarchy. Just save it and come down. So when this is like first version. Okay, start date from today onwards. Okay, and again save it. So this is like sections. If wherever you see in the forms, right, this is one. If you come down, you have to save. See what is saying, error, you must save your work before you can continue. So first you have to save this, save. If you see the message, records is saved. Okay, now come down here. So this position you cannot be selected by just clicking a list of value. Okay, you have to query. So click F11. Okay, F11. Okay, and your positions start with 10, right? Something. Or let me just click this. Yeah, just put the F11. Okay, just I will show you again. F11. Okay, click on F11 on the keyboard and keep the percentage and control F11. Okay, it will come, anything it will come, and then after it comes you just uh, manage it with down arrow or up arrow. Okay, down arrow or up arrow. Fine. So first I'll go with CEO. So my CEO name here. Okay, means CEO position is here. So if you see holders, no holders is there because we have not defined employees and we have not assigned the job and position. That's the reason no holders. After we define employee and assign the job and position, right? Then you will see here the names. Their names you will see here. Okay, fine. So just query this CEO and then come down. Keep the cursor here. It is similar like how we define organization hierarchy. That's it. Okay. Now here under the CEO, who is the person? Basically under the CEO, who will come? Directors, right? Director. Okay. Director. Save it. Save it. And then again click on this down arrow. So when you click this down arrow, this PO director will go top level. Okay. Top level. And under this director, you have to add who is the next person. Fine, click on. Now, who is the next person? Senior manager. Save it. Again, click on down arrow. And who is the next person? Manager. Save it. Click on down arrow. Who is the next person? Manager, right? Then buyer. Okay, buyer. So this is enough. Buyer only can create the purchase order. Okay. If you want for requisitions, you can add requester also. So in that case, buyer is the approver. Okay, fine. Requester, save it. So now we have defined a hierarchy. Okay, now we have defined a hierarchy. So how it is? This requester is the first person. So above him, buyer is the first next person. And if click, just click on up arrow and manager under the manager buyer. Okay, under the senior manager, manager is there. And again, under the director, manager is there, senior manager, and top level under CEO, PO director. Okay. So now how it will flow the document approval? When PO buyer create, it will go for PO manager. And once PO manager approve, it will go for PO senior manager. Further, it will go for director and then finally CEO. This is position hierarchy. Okay. Position hierarchy. Is everyone clear? So now we have defined jobs, position, and position hierarchy. Okay, position hierarchy. Fine. So you can also run position hierarchy report. You can also see diagram also. See this and open editor just to see. Okay, it is not something big, just to see the hierarchy structure. Okay, structure. See, click on this plus symbols. That's it. Okay, it's like top level is CEO, next director, senior manager, PO manager, PO buyer, this one. So this diagrammer will help you if you are in an implementation project. If you want to show this to your business team managers or directors, this will help you. Diagrammer will help you. Okay, fine. Close this. You can also run the position hierarchy report if needed. Position hierarchy report, and then you can take that printout. Position hierarchy report. This one. Okay. Just give the structure name. There is only one, and this one structure, and the parent position you select CEO. Okay. Click on OK. This is just something like just printing the details and then taking a printout. This all will help in when you are in implementation project. Okay. Just taking little time. Yeah. Click on view output. So you can see the output is generated. Okay. This is the output. Okay. This is the output. Okay. This is the output. You can see first level parent position is this. This is the parameters. Okay. Parent position under this director. Okay. Under this director, senior manager, right? Under senior manager, PO manager. Under PO manager, you will see buyer. Okay. Buyer. and again finally under the buyer requester. Okay, under the buyer requester. Got it? Fine. So next is we have to go and define employees. See, now we define both job and position, but we need to have employees also, right? Employees. So now let's go and define employees. Define employees. So for defining employees, you just need to go to the HRMS responsibility, people, okay, people, enter and maintain, enter and maintain. So we have 10 minutes. We'll quickly complete this. Okay. Click on new employees. Create employee and assign job and position. That's it. Okay. Assign job and position. First name. So what I'll do, I'll give some names. Okay. First, I'll define the CEO. Okay. First CEO. It's like Ramesh, something like their initial and something name. Okay. It's okay. It's anything is fine. It's a male. So this gender male, you can create employment and give the date of birth. So just select something date. Okay, I'll select here 19 1980 80. Okay, it's like 45 years. Okay, 1980. Now, so these are all details is not required. So the required details will give and proceed further. Now click on just save it, save this, and click on assignment. Click on assignment. So now here assign the position. Assign the position. So he is CEO. Okay, CEO. So what do you want? So like the whenever you create, right, just go for update only. Okay, click on for update. Okay, yes. So when you click on that default, you want to default job also, it will ask. Yes, if you click yes, then job also will default. Now what we done? We created employee, we assigned position and job. Okay, position and job by clicking assignment button. Okay, by clicking assignment, we assigned. So next is click on new director. We have to define the director. So next is what we do. What we do. Any you can tell me anyone name, any name will define. Will define anyone name. Hmm? I'll define something. Okay, Devi, Lakshmi, or Sri. Okay, Sri Devi, something. Miss. Okay, female. Create employment. Create employment. Is like 19 1985. Okay, 1985. Save this record and click on assignment. Now this assign director. Okay, assign the director. Okay, okay, click on yes, click on okay. Save it. It's not equal to position FT capacity. Okay, fine. Just ignore and save it. Once it is saved, then it's okay, fine. You are successfully created. Okay. We don't need to spend much time on these forms. Okay, fine. Next is next employee. But remember the position hierarchy. The first is Ramesh. Okay, next is Sridevi something. Okay, so Next is Ravi, Ravi Kumar, Mr. Based on the title, this will keep on change. Okay, fine. 1987. 1987. Save this record. Click on assignment. He might be senior manager. Okay, senior manager. Yes, sir. Okay. Either you click update or correction. That's fine. You go for clicking correction. Okay. Save it. Yes. Just a note. Just ignore it and save it. Okay. Senior manager we define. Next is next. I'll just define Mahesh. Okay. Mahesh. So Mr. Assignment. Sorry. Save it. Save it and click on assignment. Okay. Okay. Birthday we require. Birthday date is needed because we set up minimum working age, right? Some legal age. Okay. We have to set up something like 1989. Okay. Save it. Click on assignment. Position. So manager. Okay. Manager position. Click on correction. Click on OK. Save it. Yes. So next is who's there? The manager we assigned, right? Next is so next is PO buyer. Correct? PO buyer and requester is there. Come on, you can tell me any names. Okay. Any names you can tell me. So I'll keep R Rajesh. Or when you are practicing, right, if you want to remember the cycle and all, you can even go with any politician names. Okay, like it's like from village panchayati to okay MLA. Okay, then you can go further levels up to CM. That position also you can define with their names. Okay, or else you can go even with the cricketers names. Okay, if you want to while you are practicing with cricketer names, or even you can go with practicing with the movie actors. Okay, so if you know the senior person, right, it's like you will understand. Okay, the top level person is he's the one and he is the CEO. Okay, fine. Now this person, I'm just changing in the year. Okay, I'm just changing the year. That's it. 1991. 1991. Save it. Now click on assignment. Click on assignment. He's the buyer. Okay, buyer. Click on correction. Yes. You just select position. If you select first job, right, again you have to select position. Okay, that's the reason. You just select the position. Job also will default. Okay, fine. Save. So finally we have requester, right? Requester. Click on new. Click on new. Click on new. Then here. Yeah. So I'll go and define yes, Satish. Okay, Mr. Create employment. Just give the birthday date. 1993. Okay, 1993. Save it. Go for assignment. requested, requested, correction. Okay, fine, done. So now in this session, we have created jobs, we created position and position hierarchy. We have seen position hierarchy diagrammer, and also we have seen report, position hierarchy report output, and we have defined the employees and we assigned position and job. Okay.